We want to find the sum of the following series. We have the summation of -3 to power n-1 divided by 2 to power 3n, n starts from 1, goes to infinity. Okay, do you recognize any pattern here? This is basically a geometric series. We call that, for a geometric series, the definition was if you have the summation of a r to power n-1, n start from 1, goes to infinity. If the absolute value of the ratio is less than 1, this guy is convergent to a divided by 1 minus r. So let us rewrite this guy in a way that is following the same pattern for us. Okay, perfect. Let us find the pattern. We're going to do a little bit of algebra. So this series can be written as the summation of -3 to power n-1 divided by 2 to power 3n is 2 to power 3 to power n, which can be written as the summation of -3 to power n-1 divided by 8 to power n. So if I could get the exact same power for 8, then I'm done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to, let's see. If I just multiply this guy by 8 to power -1 times 1 over 8 to power -1, then I am done. Or I could write this guy on the numerator if it's easier for you to see that. 8 to power -1. So this guy can be written as the summation of -3 to power n-1, and this guy 8 to power -1 is 1 over 8. And down here, you can combine these two with the same base, and the exponent is n minus 1, and n starts from 1, goes to infinity. Beautiful. So this guy can be written as 1 over 8. I'm going to copy 1 over 8 down here, times the series of -3 to power n-1 divided by 8 to power n-1. Now just combine the numerator and the denominator. They have the same exponent. So you get 1 over 8 times the series -3 over 8 to power n-1. The ratio, the absolute value of the ratio is equal to absolute value -3 over 8, which is 3 over 8, and indeed it is less than 1. So since the ratio is bounded between -1 and 1, so we have a convergent geometric series, which is convergent to a divided by 1 minus r. You can list some of the terms of this series as well. If you plug in 1, you get 1 over 8 times -3 over 8 to power 0, which is 1. So your very first term, if you just factor out 1 over 8, is going to be 1. So this guy is convergent to 1 over 8 times 1 over 1 minus -3 over 8. So let us simplify this as much as we can. This guy goes here, so I have enough space, which is equal to 1 over 8. So we get 8 divided by 8 plus 3, or 1 over 11. So your series is convergent to 1 over 11. So if we add the terms of the series, the sum approaches 1/11. So as you can see, talking about convergence and divergence is a different story than finding the sum of the series. For the series -3 to the power n-1 divided by 2 to the power 3n, we find a pattern similar to a geometric series. The geometric series has ratio. If the ratio is bounded between -1 and 1, the geometric series is convergent to a divided by 1 minus r. Well, the series can be rewritten as 1/8 -3/8 to the power n-1, which is indeed a geometric series with ratio which is -3/8, and the absolute value of the ratio is less than 1. So indeed you have a geometric series which is convergent, and if you find the sum, it is equal to 1 divided by 11. It means that if you add the terms of this series together, you end up with 1/11.